For this lesson, we'll start with this plate. It is a circle, it is circular, but it's also green and flat. We could call it a oto'lakon, a circle. Or we can call it a wasap, something that is flat. Either of those words could be used to describe this plate. Wasap or oto'lakon. Or we don't have to use the and we could just, call it a oto'lakon. Literally, it is circular, or a sop. Literally, it is flat. On the order of mink te firearms. Literally, it kills me. Parts of speech in tutelo, saponi, or nashi are not ironclad, and the same word can either work as a noun or a verb. And the color of this plate is oto'lakon, green, or oto'lakon, green. So, sop, oto'lakon, sop, oto'lakon, wasap, oto'lakon, or wasap, oto'lakon. Any of those words can work for green plate. Or oto'lakon, 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 or oto'lakon, or oto'lakon. Like I said, you could, come up with all sorts of plate words for green plate. But let me start over. Oto'lakon, 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 or oto'lakon. Green plate. Literally, the circle is green. What I like about this language is you can find all sorts of ways to say the same thing. And one word can mean a lot of different things. Here's a couple of squares. Since squares are a type of rectangle, a square is really a rectangle with 4 parallel sides. The word for rectangle, or it is rectangular, is yup. Aska. Yup. Anska. It is rectangular. Or you can say, wa yup anska. You know, something rectangular. So this is rectangular. Or a rectangle. Wa yup anska asoti. The rectangle is blue. Wa yup anska asoti. The rectangle is blue. Or wa yup anska asot. Yup anska asot. Yup anska asoti. Those all mean the same thing. The rectangle is blue. Now this scale, it's not an exact rectangle or square or yup anska or wa yup anska, but it is a song, white. Wa yup anska a song. Yup anska a song. Wa yup anska aseni. Yup anska aseni. The rectangle is white. Like I said, it's not a exact rectangle or square. But I figured I'd work on my colors and sentence structure for the wa yupanska aseni, or wa yupanska asan, or yupanska asan, or yupanska aseni. The white rectangle. Okay, here's a piece of wia ashotate, brown wood. Literally, the wood is brown. Or it'd be more appropriate to say, we yeni ashotate. The wood is brown. That E at the end of wia means the. Wia ni, the wood. Yeah, I keep forgetting to use it, but as long as people understand what I'm trying to say, that's what matters the most. Wia tate, wood is brown. Wieni ashotate, the wood is brown. Okay, here's some blue objects. Like this blue colored wrapper, or wasot, or wasoti, something blue. Yep. Blue object, blue wrapper. Wasot, wasoti. Wa, something, asot, or asoti, blue. Now here's a little piece of blue wrapper. let's call it a co-wasot or co-wasoti. Co, diminutive prefix, wa, something, asot, blue, or asoti, blue. As compared to this wa, so, titan, this big blue something, this big blue wrapper. On the wasotita are these two cookies, these two black circles. Walika skunk asepi. Circles are black. Walika skunk could be circle or circles. Nouns, you know, they're the same, singular or plural. So our word for these cookies, these black cookies, is walika skunk asepi. Walika skunk asep. Walika skunk asep. Walika skunk asepi. The circles are black. Black circles, Oreos. Yeah, so our word for Oreos, black circles, is any form of walika skunk asepi, walika skunk asep, walika skunk asep, or walika skunk asepi. Oreos, literally black circles. Okay, here's some foil. Like there's foil made of aluminum, and aluminum is a silvery metal, whitish metal. You know, there are languages where the word for aluminum is white metal, so let's come up with a way to describe it. Mons asan sop. Metal that is white and flat. Mons asan sop. Metal that is white and flat, which is aluminum foil. So let's call aluminum foil Mons asan sop, or Mons aseni sop. Mons aseni sop. Literally, metal that is white and flat. Mons aseni sop. Aluminum foil. Metal that is white and flat. Here's some leftover mini coton glass. Yeah, I have so many things on here, so many teaching aids. What was I going to... Oh, yeah. Yeah. 20, from my last lesson would be puchk, no pa, ake. Punch, no pa would be 20. Puchk, no pa, ake, or age. Nosa would be 21. Puch, no pa, age. No pa would be 22. Puch. Oh, let me start over. Puchk, no pa, 20. Puchk, no pa, age. Nonsa, 21. Puchk or puchka, no pa, age. Nompa, 22. Punch, no pa, age. Lani, 23. Puch, no pa, age. Topa, 24. Puch, no pa, age. Kisan, 25. Puch, no pa, age. August, 26. See, 20 is puch or puchka plus nompa. Puchka nompa is 20. Or puchk nop, 20. And if you want to create words from 21 to 29, add age to puchka nompa or punsk nop. And then, add the number. Puchka nompa age nonth, 21, or puchka nompa age ksank, 29. And 30 would be punsk kalani. 40 would be punchka topa. And 50 would be puchka kisan. And 90 would be puchka kasank. Puchka kasank, 90. You get the idea. That'll be all for right now. Pi lahuk. Thank you. Biwa. Thank you.